I keep receiving a lot of the messages on LinkedIn that I am a BIM modeler and I want to transform, I want to upgrade myself to BIM coordinator position, or I am a coordinator, I want to upgrade myself to BIM manager position. How these, let's say, professional can upgrade themselves to the next step, let's say starting from the BIM modeler to coordinator to BIM manager? What are your thoughts on it?
All right, that's a great question. When I was on site, I was also BIM modeler. So learning BIM modeling is a great thing that you have. So that's great that you know how to model and you know the details of modeling. Um, Later on, you need also, of course, to upgrade yourself and get promoted. So on that time, you need to, for example, if you're gonna be BIM coordinator, you are working with different disciplines, so you need to understand first the technical issues. I always like to start from site because sites has the issues, the real issues. So if you go to site and learn from site engineers and managers how they are resolving issues, the constructability, the different disciplines, what they have in their fields or in each discipline. So you need to master these things. Then also you need some collaboration and communication skills. On that way, you need to learn some. Then the software become later on when you learn these software that are used for coordination, for clash detection, for issue management. So these all combined will give you the ability to go to the next level. And of course, you need to be you need to have the initiative in your team. Sometimes nobody will tell you come and become BIM coordinator. You need always to be proactive and show how you can resolve issues, or show how can you discuss issues and manage them with the team. So this is the first part. The second part, how to go to the management level. So from BIM coordinator to BIM manager. Here you have also after you practice the coordination, you need to know how to manage the team. Of course, you need to have leadership skills. You need to always engage your team. You are working for the sake of project, so always have this spirit of how we can resolve issues and how we can unify the standards. Coming to the standards, so of course you need to learn about the standards, implementing them, when we can be flexible, because not always we need to follow the standards. Sometimes some project needs we cannot follow, or we can use some specified standards for the project. So it's a combination of these skills and knowledge and technical skills from site that will upgrade you to BIM management. And of course, when you have this gradually developing yourself, you will be confident when you come to the to the new position or to the new upgrade. While when I see some people writing in their CVs that they are BIM managers and they want coming from modeling jobs to BIM management jobs, or coming from another field to BIM management without making this gradual upgrade, they will face problems. They will not be confident to resolve issues. They will not be confident to manage the team. So